So you may have heard about the pre-scheduled price reductions, and if you haven't, let me tell you what they are. An intelligent conversation between a broker and the seller is going to be about, okay, if we're going to come out at the wrong price and it doesn't get any offers, it's a strong indication it's overpriced. I tell sellers all the time that if you're getting a lot of activity on your home, but you're not getting offers, you're probably pretty darn close, maybe off by as much as 5%. If you're not getting any activity, it's Deadsville, no one's coming by, you may have to look as much as a 10% price reduction. That's not the same numbers for every home in every marketplace, but it's a pretty good general rule of thumb. So when you're having those tough conversations about what is the right price, a smart strategy is pre-plan price reductions when working with your sellers. They insist on this price, but they want action, they want it sold, there's motivation there. Then planning one 3 weeks in, 6 weeks in, 8 weeks in is a good strategy. You don't have to have that conversation again and again or reanalyze the market each and every time. So pre-planned price reductions are often built into listings with some listing agents. What if you're on the other side? What if you're a buyer? What if you're a buyer's agent and you're curious, is there a pre-planned price reduction? Well, listen, there's always the risk of waiting, right? You can wait for that price reduction to come, or someone may buy your favorite home. The question is, do you love that house? Get in there, submit an offer at the price you feel comfortable paying or where the market appears it should be, and see what happens.